Welcome to a quick, up-to-date guide on changing your Facebook cover photo. If you're looking to refresh your profile and keep things looking sharp, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps slowly so you can follow along without a hitch. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile. You can find your profile by tapping your profile picture or your name, which is usually visible in the bottom menu or at the top of the feed, depending on your device. When you reach your profile, place your finger gently near the cover photo area and hover over it. On most screens, you'll see a small camera or edit icon appear along the top edge of the cover photo. This visual cue is your doorway to updating that banner image, so don't worry if it takes a moment to appear. Tap the edit option that appears. From the menu that slides in, choose Upload Photo. This opens your device's photo gallery or camera roll. Browse through your pictures and select the image you want to use as your new cover photo. You can choose a shot that reflects your mood, a recent trip, or anything that captures your current vibe. After you've chosen the photo, you'll be taken to a cropping and positioning screen. Here, you can adjust how the image sits behind your profile picture. Drag to reposition and pinch to zoom if your device supports it. Take a moment to frame the image the way you want it to appear to others. When you're happy with the look, confirm or save the changes. Back on your profile, you should now see the updated cover photo in place. It's a good idea to review your profile from another device or ask a friend to take a quick peek to ensure the image looks balanced with your profile picture and bio. If you want, you can edit again at any time by repeating the same steps. A few quick tips. Choose a photo with enough resolution to avoid pixelation, and consider the cover photo's alignment with your profile picture and profile information. If privacy or branding matters, pick an image that respects your audience and reflects the tone you want to set. That's it. Your Facebook cover photo is updated. If you've got a favorite recent shot you're excited to try, go ahead and upload it now and give your profile a fresh new look.